Hi, I'm JR Connerly with the RV Shop. So you're considering purchasing a Sprinter van, but you have concerns about not having enough storage. Well, here at the RV Shop, we have a solution for you. We carry this line of, it's called Aero Pod, made by Let's Go Aero. It has some really unique features. We carry them in light gray to go with your lighter colored Sprinter vans, like this silver one in front of me. And we have the darker color as well. So you're coming out of your garage, you'll notice that this thing is on wheels. So you pull it out of your garage and attach it to your hitch. The landing gear folds up and it rides just like this while in transit. Really cool feature. So you have your brake lights, your tail lights, your reverse lights all built in. If you notice, come in closer, you'll see a huge cavernous space. It can hold 350 pounds, up to 6 suitcases. When you close it, you can just see just how much vertical space you have inside the AeroPod. Once you lock it and secure it, it comes with this key lock that slides right in here to secure it. One of the unique features also is this thing is capable of being slid all the way out while mounted on the hitch. And if you come around, you'll notice that you still have access to the back of your van. So if you're interested in getting a Sprinter, worried about a solution for your storage, we have it here. So check us out on the web at www.thervshoponline.com or 225-272-8000. Again, I'm JR Connolly with the RV Shop. Thanks for watching.